The villas at Kellerton are highly customizable floor plans featuring stunning views of the Keystone Mountains and the surrounding community. Enjoy home sites that can accommodate spacious backyards, walkout basements, and expansive outdoor entertainment, while also providing flexibility and privacy. Whether you're looking for a site backing to mature woods or prefer the community-facing atmosphere, you'll be able to achieve the grand lifestyle of a single-family home with the lower maintenance and costs associated with an attached home. Choose from expansive floor plans with first-floor owner suites starting at just over 2,000 square feet and ranging up to 4,500 square feet. Kellerton's serenity is matched by its convenience to major commuter routes, located within an hour's drive of DC, Baltimore, and 3 different airports. Calling Kellerton home also provides access to a large variety of community amenities, highlighted by a clubhouse with a fitness center and Olympic-sized pool. Homeowners can also enjoy a dog park, walking trails, and close proximity to 3 city parks with several additional amenities. Build your one-of-a-kind home in the villas at Kellerton.